Have you ever saved a file and realized you didn't even know where it actually lives? That's the mystery of the cloud. Today, let's uncover what exactly is cloud computing. At its core, cloud computing is like renting powerful computers and storage from someone else, usually giant tech companies like Amazon, Microsoft, or Google. Instead of storing everything on your computer, the cloud lets you access it anywhere, anytime, on any device. Think of it like electricity. You don't build your own power plant just to turn on the lights, you simply plug in. With the cloud, you just plug in to computing power when you need it. Ever stream Netflix? That's cloud. Send an email on Gmail? Cloud. Backed up photos on Google Drive? Yep, cloud. So how does it actually work? Behind the scenes, massive data centers. These are like warehouse-sized rooms full of servers. Store, process, and secure your data. When you upload a photo to Instagram, it doesn't just stay on your phone forever. Instead, it's sent to these servers, and then it can be retrieved by anyone, anywhere who wants to see it. That's the magic. Cloud, basically, is someone else's computer that you can borrow at scale. There are three major flavors of cloud computing. First, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. That's like renting raw servers and storage. For example, Amazon Web Services. Next, PaaS, platform as a service. This lets developers build apps without having to worry about servers. A good example here is Google App Engine. And finally, SaaS, software as a service. These are apps you already know, like Zoom, Dropbox, or Canva. Every time you binge, chat, or design online, you're in the cloud. Why should you care? Cloud computing powers almost everything in modern life. Businesses scale instantly without buying thousands of computers. Startups launch apps worldwide with just a few clicks. Even artificial intelligence runs on cloud supercomputers. It's cheaper, faster, and more flexible than traditional computing. So in short, no cloud? Well, that means no Netflix, no TikTok, no Spotify, and yeah, no YouTube either. The future of cloud computing is, honestly, even bigger. Just imagine self-driving cars sharing real-time data in the cloud, or like doctors diagnosing patients across the world using cloud-powered AI. Here's the big reveal. Cloud computing isn't just storage, it's actually the invisible engine running the entire digital world around you. So next time someone asks, where is the cloud? You can say, it's everywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't just store it in the cloud, store it in your memory. Go ahead, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more tech explained the smart way.